As all of you know, we are back again. So today we have gathered here on the launch and announcement of our great and solo book, educational solo book named The Ultimate Guide on Punctuation, written and authored by the great modern grammarian named Balaji sir. So he would be with us and we will start. Things are not going with the flow. So, but no problem. Life is all about the facing the
Facing the
troubles.
troubles.
Hello.
Hello. I'm audible, sir.
Yes, sir. You are
Yes, sir,
audible.
you are audible.
Okay. So
Okay.
first of all, welcome,
First of all,
sir.
welcome, sir.
How are you?
How are you? Hello and good evening, sir, and everyone join here. I'm Balaji.
Hmm.
Yes, am I audible, students? Am I audible, sir? And
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You
sir.
are
Yes, sir.
audible,
You
sir.
are audible.
Keep going. You
Keep
don't need
going.
to
You don't
think.
need
This
to
is
think.
a
This is
thing.
a
You
thing.
can teach
You
us
can
like
teach us
you
like
talk with the
you
student.
talk
Yes,
with
sir.
the
Go
student.
for
Yes,
it.
sir.
Go for it.
To be honest, I'm really very happy and overjoyed to see my book on Amazon. Actually,
Yeah.
it was Prachi ma'am which made all these things possible. If
Yeah.
it is a great coincidence. If Prachi ma'am had not published book through you, then my book would have to wait for another year, maybe 2 years, 5 years. I don't know. Actually, I wrote this book in 2016, and it was gathering dust due to some or other reasons. I was not
Yeah,
able
sir.
to get it published. Uh, I wrote many books. Still, 2 3 diaries are there. Every day I write about the common incidents and people around me, and
Yeah.
I'm having a lot of record. But today I'm very happy to see my book online on Amazon, sir, and it was possible because of you.
Thank you very much,
Thank
sir.
you very much, sir.
And here
Because
it
you
is.
provide, here it is. Because you provided the platform. Otherwise, it would not have been possible for me. So,
So how does
So
it
how
feel,
does
sir?
it feel, sir? I feel very nice, sir. I told you no. I'm very very happy. I'm overjoyed. My happiness uh, knew no bounds. Means uh, sky is the
There is no
limit for my
limitation.
There is no limitation. Yes. Sky is the limit
Yeah.
for my happiness. And actually, in the beginning, it was very hard for me to trust. But when I saw the book of our Prachi ma'am, then I started believing. Because many times what happened due to this during this lockdown period, many fraud incidents happened in online.
Yeah, really,
Yeah,
sir.
really, sir.
Right.
Yes, yes. Right. So it was little bit hard for me to believe when ma'am told me everything, and when she showed her online book link and all that, Amazon link and all that, and when I saw her the hard copy of the book, then there was no space for doubt. All
Yeah.
my doubts disappeared, and I started believing. And on the same day, I took your number from ma'am and I called you. Yes,
Yes,
this
sir.
is how the journey started of our publishing the book, of my publishing the book.
Yes, sir. It was
Yes,
a
sir. It
great
was a great
pleasure to work
pleasure
with
to
you.
work
Means,
with you. Means,
like I mentioned
like
it
I
10
mentioned
times
it 10
today,
times
like
today, like
this is not just a
this is
book,
not
this
just
is
a
a
book,
book
this
of
is a
a
book of a
modern grammarian,
modern
great
grammarian,
modern
great modern
grammarian.
grammarian.
So first of
So
all, I
first
would
of
like
all,
to,
I
sir,
would like
ask
to, sir,
student,
ask student,
what is
what
the
is the
ultimate guide on
ultimate guide on
punctuation? Please
punctuation?
elaborate
Please
us about the
elaborate us
book,
about
please.
the book,
Yeah.
please. Yeah. Yes, sir. Uh, the book ultimate. Can I speak in Hindi?
वो सर हम लोगों को सब आता है, हम लोग पुलिस हाउस इज नोन फॉर हिंदी,
For Hindi,
बट
known for but
आप किसी भी लैंग्वेज में बात
आप
कर
किसी भी
सकते
लैंग्वेज
हैं।
में बात कर सकते हैं। Okay, okay. Sir, actually, as I told you, know, I wrote this book in the year 2015. That time I
Yeah.
had spare time, and there is one big story before that.
Okay.
I would like to tell that story.
Yeah,
Actually,
we would love
yeah,
to.
we would
Yeah.
love to.
Please.
Yeah,
Please.
I
Please.
came from very humble family. I was born and brought up in a village in a humble family, and nobody knows English in my family. Neither my
Oh my
father
God.
nor my mother. Nobody. I was born. and brought up in a very small village. And I
Okay.
completed my
Okay.
education till 12th in that small village. There were no classes, no coaching classes, no quality schools, quality teachers, right? And
Right. Right.
one day, what happened when I was in 10th standard, and I was very poor, very weak in English
Yeah.
subject.
Yeah.
Not
Okay.
not only
Okay.
in English subject, I was weak in all subjects. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
but particularly in English subject, I was very poor. I did not know even I did not know spelling of common words like friends, chair, like these, neighbors, woman, etc. So
Yeah.
I was
Yeah.
very poor. And one day the teacher asked me, "What is the spelling of? Tell me the spelling of the word friend." And I was not able to tell the correct spelling of the word friend.
My
Not just to
God.
me. There were
God.
so many people. There were so many students.
Yeah. Yeah.
Nearly 90% students were not able to tell the correct spelling, right spelling of the word friend. This you can
Friends.
understand. Means
Friends.
how poor I was in 10th
Yeah.
standard.
Everyone. Yeah. Everyone.
Yes, in the
Yeah.
year 1996 or 7. Okay, that time. Okay, I was very
Okay.
poor,
Okay.
and there were a few girls. Always girls are there in school, and and there was one girl student, and and her father was also teacher in that school. Okay,
Okay.
and
Okay.
she was very good at all subjects, maths, English, science, and she was very good at maths, and I was very poor again in math. And she would always means get she would always be admired, praised by the teachers. And I one day thought that I wish I had my father as a teacher. काश अगर मेरे भी फादर टीचर होते तो आज मैं उसके जैसा होता, ऐसा मुझे लगता था।
उसके
हाँ,
yeah.
उसके
Yeah.
जैसा मुझे भी ऐसे एडमायरेशन मिलता था, प्रेज मिलता था, मेरा ही नाम हो जाता था, ऐसा वगैरह वगैरह लगता था। और वो उम्र स्कूल में थे, फिर भी हमारा थोड़ा सा फ्रेंडशिप वगैरह हो गया था। तो जब भी मुझे टीचर पूछते थे, whenever the teacher asked me some questions and I was not able to give the answers, I had started feeling very insulted, humiliated.
Yeah. Yeah. Me too. Me
और
too.
वो भी सब फ्रेंड्स के सामने, खास करके उसके सामने और गर्ल स्टूडेंट के सामने। तो
Yeah.
बहुत बुरा लगा।
Yeah.
और मुझे लगा कि मुझे कुछ बनना है। इफ आई वांट टू बिकम इन माय लाइफ, आई मस्ट लर्न इंग्लिश, आई मस्ट डेवलप इंग्लिश, इम्प्रूव इंग्लिश, लर्न इंग्लिश। तो
Yeah.
उसी साल मैंने मेरी 10th की एग्जाम मैंने छोड़ दी और मैं घर छोड़ के निकल गया, नागालैंड निकल गया।
Oh
नागालैंड
my
निकल
God.
गया।
This is something going to
Yes,
interesting.
yes. I'm going to
Wow.
write
Wow.
story on my whole life, my own life. Okay, and that will be published in storybook.
Wow.
तो
Wow. Great. Great.
मैंने एक जनरल नॉलेज बुक में पढ़ा था कि इंग्लिश इज द स्टेट लैंग्वेज ऑफ नागालैंड, जैसे कि मराठी इज द स्टेट लैंग्वेज ऑफ महाराष्ट्र।
महाराष्ट्र।
मेरी
महाराष्ट्र।
एक सिस्टर है, उसको आंध्र प्रदेश में शादी करके उनको दिया है। तो वो 2 साल वहाँ गई और 2 साल के बाद आके वेरी फ्लुएंटली शी स्टार्टेड स्पीकिंग तेलुगु। तो मैंने सोचा कि अरे वाह, ये तो कोई स्कूल में नहीं गई, कहाँ नहीं गई, इतनी फ्लुएंटली तेलुगु बोल रही है।
Oh my God. Oh my God.
तो मैं नागालैंड में जाके वहाँ कहीं किसी के खेत में भी काम किया तो भी मुझे अंग्रेजी आ जाएगी।
You just went Nagaland to learn English, to speak English.
Yes.
My God, sir, hats off to you.
बहुत स्टोरी है सर और आगे।
Yeah, please go for it. Go for it, sir.
तो मुझे लगा कि मैं अगर वहाँ जाऊंगा और 2 साल कहीं खेती में, कहीं होटल में भी काम किया तो इन नेचुरल एटमॉस्फेयर आई विल बी आई विल लर्न इंग्लिश एंड देन आई विल रिटर्न टू महाराष्ट्र and give my 10th exam, 12th, and complete my dream of learning English. तो मैं नागालैंड गया, दिल्ली में था मैं उस मीन्स 1996 में 7 में दिल्ली में था, मैं आगरा में था, सब इलाहाबाद में भी था 1-2 दिन मैं वहाँ, मिजोरम गुवाहाटी में था, सब वहाँ का पूरा वो एरिया मैंने ट्रैवलिंग किया है बाय ट्रेन। तो वहाँ कुछ इंग्लिश नहीं सीखा मैंने, क्योंकि yes, English is the state language of Nagaland, but only educated people speak English. Okay, and only educated people speak English, and those who work in field, those who those who are not educated, they don't speak English there. They use their
Naga language, native language.
So I was frustrated there. I was disappointed naturally. So I returned home, And I then there was one teacher in my village. He's advised me, don't do like this, don't go anywhere. You buy some good books, grammar books, story books. Start reading short story books from first standard, second standard, third, and like that. And I followed his advice and started reading. And in the beginning, my vocabulary was very poor. As I told you, I did not know the spelling of the word friends.
Friends.
Okay, so you can imagine, you can guess how poor I was. Slowly,
Yeah,
slowly, I developed the interest. I bought few books, grammar books, and all that. I did not know even how to use, when to use, have, has, had, was, where, I am, is, are. I did not know anything at all. Okay, I was a layman. Layman means I used to take care of cows, buffaloes, bulls, and other animals, our pet animals, domestic animals on the field. I know everything, how to work in the field even today. आज भी मुझे सब फील्ड में कैसे काम करना है, क्या करना है, सब हल कैसे चलाना है,
wow,
सब सब
wow,
आता है मुझे, सब पूरा ऑलराउंडर। खेती में
right,
थोड़ी सी घर में
right.
नहीं थी। तो बाद में मैं आया, फिर बाद में मैं हैदराबाद गया, बेंगलोर गया, चेन्नई, मद्रास भी गया। कुछ लोग बोले उत्तर प्रदेश में नहीं है, आप ब्रिटिश फर्स्ट साउथ इंडिया में आए, आप उधर जाओ। तो मैंने
Okay,
फिर 10
okay.
साल बाद 12 के बाद मैं साउथ इंडिया में गया जस्ट टू लर्न इंग्लिश। आई वांटेड टू
English,
लर्न
English.
इंग्लिश I wanted to learn English in natural atmosphere, not within four walls. I wanted to learn English how in natural atmosphere, in natural
Practically,
environment,
yeah, yeah,
in natural environment, not in
yeah,
formal
yeah.
situation. Okay.
When it's come naturally, not that we have to follow the rules and all. Just come naturally English. Yeah,
As we learn our mother tongue. जैसे
yeah,
मेरे
right,
का
right.
एग्जांपल दिया था कि मेरी सिस्टर को आंध्र प्रदेश में दिया है शादी करके।
तो
तो
तमिल आ गया,
नहीं, तेलुगु
तेलुगु,
language,
yeah,
हाँ,
तेलुगु,
तो
yeah,
बहुत
sorry,
फ्लुएंट बोलने
sorry.
लगी। सो आई थॉट लर्निंग दिस इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज लाइक दैट वे, इन दैट वे। ओके,
Yeah,
तो वहाँ
yeah.
भी कुछ नहीं हुआ, वहाँ भी मैं घूम के आया, खाली मीन्स ट्रैवलिंग हो गई मेरी। बाद में घर में आके मैंने बहुत मीन्स सीखा है लैंग्वेज धीरे धीरे, उसमें इंटरेस्ट बढ़ाया, बुक्स वगैरह लेके पढ़ाई की, और धीरे धीरे कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ने लगा मेरा। और बाद में क्या हुआ कि मैंने पूरी डिक्शनरी क्या की, डिक्शनरी है ना अपनी नवनीत डिक्शनरी, तो मैंने पूरी डिक्शनरी जो कैसेट होते हैं रिकॉर्डिंग अपने उस जमाने में कैसेट रहते थे, अभी सीडी
Okay,
आए बाद में,
okay. Yeah,
बहुत आ गया, वो वॉकमैन एक
A side, B side वाले
A
cases.
side
वाले
हाँ
cases.
हाँ हाँ, यस यस। और रिकॉर्डिंग टेप थे, वॉकमैन पॉकेट। तो
Walkman.
तो मैंने क्या किया, ऐसे 50 कैसेट्स खरीदा। आई परचेस्ड ब्लैंक कैसेट्स एंड आई रिकॉर्डेड द एंटायर डिक्शनरी।
My,
फॉर एग्जाम्पल, बॉय मीन्स कैट मीन्स बिल्ली, टाइगर मीन्स share, like that. I recorded the
and there are
entire
thousands of words, I must say.
yes,
And you
there
record
are
every.
thousand. I record every, and even today my dictionary is marked with underlines and all that, tick mark and underlines. Even the dictionary is with
Okay,
me. I can show you on camera
Please,
also.
please.
हाँ,
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
मैंने ये पूरा डिक्शनरी रिकॉर्ड की, और खेत में काम करते करते मैंने क्या किया, उस हमेशा कान में लगाया वो वॉकमैन, और उसकी बैटरी भी डिस्चार्ज होती तो मैंने तो ऐसे चार्जेबल बैटरीज भी खरीदा, बहुत 2-3
Yeah,
एक्स्ट्रा।
yeah.
सुबह लेके जाता था, दिन भर सुनता था कान को, वही कैसेट, एक ही कैसेट सुनना है दिन भर। एक कैसेट
Keep
में मैंने
repeating, keep
हाँ,
repeating.
एक कैसेट में मैंने 1000 या 800-900 ऐसे वर्ड्स मैंने रिकॉर्ड किए, और उसको मैं सुनता था, रिपीट। कोई गाना भी ना, कुछ नहीं, एक ही मीन्स मेरा एम था।
Audio visual learning, I must say.
हाँ, यस, तो वही सुनता। और बाद में क्या हुआ कि जब मैं एक कैसेट 10-15 बार मैं सुना ना, उसके बाद दैट वर्ड गॉट इम्प्रिंटेड ऑन माई माइंड,
By default, yeah.
जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल राइट मीन्स लिखना, कोई भी पूछता है, एक एग्जांपल, डॉग मीन्स कुत्ता, ऐसे फटाफट। और बाद में ऐसा
Yeah.
डिक्शनरी मैंने किया, उसके लिए मुझे 1-1.5 साल लगा, 1.5-2 साल लगा। और बाद में
My God, it's an inspiration, sir.
तो वो डिक्शनरी पूरा कलरफुल हो गई मेरी, अंडरलाइन करके, रिमार्क, टिक मार्क करके सब। तो गांव में मैं किसी को भी मैं बोलता था, चैलेंज करता था कि ये डिक्शनरी में से कौन सा भी वर्ड मुझे पूछो, 5 वर्ड पूछो,
I know every
अगर
words.
5 आपको
I know every
बता पाया आपके वर्ड्स, कोई भी 5 वर्ड्स, तो आप मुझे सिर्फ 5 रुपए दे दो। अगर वो 5 में से अगर मैंने एक भी नहीं बता पाया तो मैं आपको 10 दे दूंगा, 10 रुपए दे दूंगा। ये था
Great
मेरा
challenge, sir. Great challenge, sir. I must say everyone should do this. Everyone should do this.
तो ऐसे मैंने पहले वोकेबलरी डेवलप कर दी, और
Okay.
वोकेबलरी डेवलप करने के
Okay.
बाद मेरा आधे से ऊपर काम बहुत आसान हो गया। मीन्स
Right.
मोर
Right.
देन हाफ
Right.
of work was over, because vocabulary plays very important role in learning or in acquiring any foreign language. तो बाकी ग्रामर का पार्ट बाकी था, तो वो भी मैंने धीरे धीरे कर लिया, ग्रामर बुक्स वगैरह पढ़ के। और बाद में अब यू वोंट बिलीव सर, इन 12th स्टैंडर्ड आई पास्ड ऑन बॉर्डर। मीन्स बॉर्डर इन एग्जाम इन इंग्लिश सब्जेक्ट आई गॉट जस्ट 35 मार्क्स
Okay.
in
Okay.
12th standard. And very next year I took admission for BA, and I passed BA with first class.
Minimum 60 plus. Minimum 60 plus.
Yes, yeah, minimum 60 means first class above.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah. That's what I'm told.
second
That's what I'm
year,
told.
second year also with first class. Then third year
Okay.
also first class. Entire degree with first class. Then after the BA, I tried for admission in Pune, and I got admission in Pune in Ferguson College
Great.
by giving entrance test and all that. And again I passed MA with first class from Ferguson College. Then I completed my MPhil. Then I also, as I told you, I appeared for the national eligibility test, that is UGC NET. I also cracked that in 2012, and then I also got admission for PhD, and at present I am pursuing my PhD from SRT University, Nanded. So this is
My
the story.
God, sir.
This is something very hard to believe, but this happened. This is a real story. आज भी मेरे गांव में और मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह सबको ऐसा लगता है कि हमें कभी नहीं लगा कि बालाजी सर इतना कर पाएंगे। तो ये हुआ कैसे कि देयर वाज जस्ट अ बर्निंग डिजायर। Yes, this is
Humiliation.
insult. The key of this success. Actually, I don't think this is a great achievement. मगर
Just a step. Beginning step, you can say.
जो भी सिचुएशन, जो भी हालात थे मेरे, जो भी परिस्थिति,
उसके हिसाब से बहुत बड़ी बात है। The way you started, the place you started, it's great. It's great. If you compete with others who are already the great, so it can't be. It can't be. Right.
There was no such an environment at home. Okay, I came from very very humble background. There was no educational background. You can call it a first generation learner. The same would be applicable for me. तो वहीं से मैं आया, और वहाँ एक जिद्द थी, एक डिटर्मिनेशन था, और एक बर्निंग डिजायर थी कि मुझे बस इंग्लिश सीखना है, इंग्लिश सीखना है, इंग्लिश सीखना है, और इंग्लिश में बोलना सीखना है, पढ़ना सीखना है, और यही मेरी एक जिद्द थी, और मैं उसको लेके आगे गया। और सब होने के बाद फिर मैं जब स्टोरीज, नॉवेल्स वगैरह जब पढ़ता था, तो उसके बाद मुझे मुझे समझ में नहीं आया ये कॉमा क्यों आया, यहाँ ये सेमीकोलन क्यों आया, ये डैश क्यों है, ये हाइफन क्यों है, ये फुल स्टॉप क्यों आया, ये 3 ही डॉट क्यों है, इलिप्सिस में 3 ही होते हैं, यहाँ 3 है तो यहाँ 4 क्यों है, हाँ ये क्या है, क्या मीन्स इसका कुछ मतलब होगा, मीन्स डेफिनेटली दे हैव सम मैसेज, राइट। तो फिर मैं उस तरफ ध्यान दिया, थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेंट्रेट किया, और मुझे लगा कि अगर मुझे लैंग्वेज पर कमांड प्राप्त करना है, इफ आई वांट टू गेट कमांड ओवर दिस लैंग्वेज इन द रियल सेंस, देन आई मस्ट नो ईच एंड एवरीथिंग रिलेटेड टू दिस लैंग्वेज। तो धीरे धीरे मैंने उसकी भी थोड़ी सी पढ़ाई की, कंसंट्रेशन किया, कुछ बुक्स लाए, और फिर समझ में आया धीरे धीरे। Am I audible, sir? Can you hear me?
Yes, you are audible, but you are not visible. You are not visible.
Hello?
There is a buffering from your side. Yeah.
Yeah, from your side also, sir. The same thing.
Okay. So I think there must be a network.
You are not visible. I hope I am visible, sir, for you all.
No, sir. There is buffering from your side. Okay, so guys, we have to cut this session here, and we will resume the session when I'll come live again. So I request you guys to please join the breaking second.
Voice is also breaking. Yes. Voice is also breaking, sir.
Okay, I'm coming. So, hello family. I'm coming soon. Again in a session. In just few seconds. Let me start the session again. And it's not cutting. I don't know why it's not cutting. Sir, you can leave the session.